Guys, I'm bringing back.
What did you do? No, it was what did you do? Wait, no, that's your hand. I'm not going to say it. No, it's not.
Yeah, it's Nick's birthday.
I know it hurts. What's your birthday? It's gonna hurt you. I don't remember your birthday. I have it. Yeah. No, it's your birthday.
Okay.
Can you erase that? Yeah. It wasn't me.
It was Maddie.
That's not my handwriting.
Doing gang initiation too.
That's not my
All right.
Oh.
So on our next little part here, so again we have our keep switch split.
You really think I would do that?
Yes.
Whoa.
Okay. So then we can do some cross canceling, or you can make this just a big fraction. However you guys want to work with that. I think the cross canceling is nice because 15 times 8 is not something I want to do in my head. Not that you can't use your calculator.
120.
Just is probably preferred to simplify. So I can divide them each by 5.
Is it not 120?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, Ethan said?
So then 8 and 6 can both be divided by 2. So on top here, I'm left with 12 over 6, which actually I'll be able to simplify further. And I look at my y's here. I have y squared and y on the bottom. So that means there's going to be a y on top. For my x's, I have x on the bottom, x to the third on the top. So it means it would be an x squared on top. And then 12 over 6 can just simplify to just be 2 over 1 or just 2. So this doesn't even need to be a fraction anymore. Now the order you put this in doesn't matter. So if you have this, that's fine. It's whatever order makes sense to you. All right, again. So keep switch flip.
Stop making fun of me.
She just repeated what you said.
Dang, don't need to get aggressive. Have I ever believed you?
Okay. So 6 over 2 really becomes 3 over 1, right? Or 3. Where are there more C's?
Top.
How many more?
2.
Where are there more D's?
Top.
How many?
1.
I'm going to break my little clips. Alright. Great.
I think he broke it.
I think you broke it. And
No, I didn't. I just
All right.
had to run over it.
okay, so out of the next 4, I'm going to probably try to choose wisely here.
Yeah, we have to do the bottom too.
Well, I want to do letter B for sure.
Which one?
So this letter B here,
Top.
4B.
4B?
4B.
That's what the rich people call Forbes magazine. 4B.
Really?
When
I
they're
didn't know that.
4B.
All right. So we're dividing by the 12A plus 18. Now with division, I have to switch that second fraction. So this isn't a fraction right now, so I'm going to make it a fraction. So then in order to switch it, I'm going to flip it. So the 1's going to go on top and it's going to become multiplication. So this becomes times. So keep switch flip.
My mom just asked my brother a question about a student ID in our family group chat. He said, "Why are you asking me in a group chat?"
For a while, I was in my ex-stepmom's group chat, like, so my dad's previous wife, like,
Oh.
and she had me added as one of her kids, and so she was like asking us all to help her move one weekend, and I was like, why am I in this group chat? And they'd be like, let Nikki out of the group chat, and she like would keep adding me back in. So it was really awkward because I didn't want to help her move because she's not my stepmom anymore. So,
My grandpa made one for like Christmas, like what you want for Christmas.
Yeah.
And they had like a phone conversation at like midnight, and I was like, I'm trying to do
guys, I picked this one because I think GCF is one of our rougher types of factoring. So what can I take out of 6a plus 9? I can take out of 3. So this will be 2a plus 3. And then this would be a plus 3. And then out of 12a plus 18,
6.
I can take out a 6.
2a plus 3.
Okay. So what do you guys see that we can?
2a plus 3.
2a plus 3.
That's it.
Can you simplify the
Yeah, the 3 and 6 are both being multiplied, so you can simplify those as well. So 3 and 6 can both be divided by 3. This becomes a 1 and a 2.
That's what I meant.
So all I have left on top is a 1. On the bottom, I have 2 times a plus 3, so I just want to write that like in parentheses. If you want to distribute, you could, but I have to make sure I use parentheses or distribute. I can't just put the 2 on the end. All right. Let's do the other letter B. Let's do the other letter B because it kind of has all the different types down there as well. Okay. So keep switch flip again. So it's division. So the first fraction stays the way it is. Now, if you can do a few of these steps like kind of as you're going here, that's fine. Like you don't have to show absolutely every step. Just be careful if you're flipping it and like factoring all at once. If I do that, I feel like some of you would freak out on me, so I'm not doing that more than one step at a time. Freaking out. Freak out. So, upper left here, x squared minus 16. Those are those opposites. That's a difference of squares. So x times x, 16, so it's going to be 4 and 4, positive and negative. But the bottom of that? You can pull out 2. Take out a 2. This one I can't take out anything. And then this last one, since it has 3 terms, I want to multiply to get 16, but add to get 8 this time.
Plus 4
Plus 4 plus 4. So lots of 4s here. So we want to be careful that we only cancel the exact same thing. So the x plus 4 can cancel. The x plus 4 can cancel, but there's still another one left, and that's okay. But these are opposites of each other. They don't get to cancel. So we're left with x minus 4 on top, and then this 2 times x plus 4 on the bottom. Now, had you canceled a different x plus 4, that's fine. It's still x plus 4 on the bottom. That makes sense? Does anyone want other examples of these? Or are you feeling okay? I mean, as okay as you can be. Okay. So the homework is listed here for you guys. I have multiples of 3, so I just listed what the multiples of 3 were. It just gives you a good variety of questions without doing odds, which is more questions.
Yeah, thanks for giving me the multiples. Otherwise, I would have asked Siri.
2, 3, 4,
You know who Siri is?
no.
Yeah.
Siri.